We recently acquired IKEA in Sunrise under a maintenance contract. So we're going to start with our initial inspection today. We're at the Hoover pump station here with the 48 zone ESP LX-ME controller. It's already got an alarm light on it. I haven't looked at the screen yet. I'm pretty sure one of the valves in the field aren't working. But I'm going to use my multimeter down there to take ohms readings of all 48 stations to let me know what's actually going on in the field. From there, we'll turn on the system and we'll proceed to check each of those zones. On each of those zones, I might find some broken heads and broken pipes, in which case I'm going to propose to fix all of those and flag them out as I see them. We're going to go through the entire system and give the customer a proposal on our initial inspection. There's going to be a lot of stuff to do out here because this is our first time out here, and in my experience, the other companies around us don't maintain irrigation systems at the caliber we do. All right, we ran through the whole raster wire test. Let's see what's going on. The master valve has an open circuit, which is to the pump start relay. This is a pressurized system, so we don't need a master valve. Circuit 1 is open, circuit 10 is open, 11, 12 is shorted, 21 is open, 25 is open, 26 is open, 27, let's see if this just goes through the rest of the controller as I'm thinking it does. All right, so what did I say, about 25 or 26 where it stopped? So 20 zones before it's open circuits for everything else. I don't know why they have wires connected to all of those zones if they're all open, but this is my first inspection, so we'll go through the 20 zones that are connected, or of those 20 zones, the ones that will turn on, and we'll see what we see. I am going to be developing a map of this property as I go about doing this so that I will know where all of these zones are moving forward. All right, now I got to grab my multimeter because I don't trust that raster test. I want to see it for myself using a tool that is a third party from that manufacturer, or any manufacturer for that matter. If you're going to go through all the trouble of putting little pieces of duct tape on the wires, at least write something on them. I mean, that's not helpful at all. This whole time I've been parking my truck over there by the Starbucks and then walking over there to get to the pump. Just at the end of my inspection, I parked my truck right there. And then that means I had to walk this way. And would you look at that? I found the main brake. There it is. Awesome. I mean, I would have found it eventually, but good stuff. All right, and on a Friday.